1 year after an 82-year-old woman and her 2 grandchildren were shot and killed in Tryall Heights, St. Catherine, the family is still seeking justice. They held a memorial service over the weekend to commemorate the tragic loss. Kalisha Williams has his primetime news follow-up.
But for the McFarlane family in Tryall Heights, St. Catherine, those days can't come fast enough. It's been 1 year since 82-year-old Iselin McFarlane and her 2 granddaughters, 6-year-old Michelle McFarlane and 10-year-old Christina McFarlane, were gunned down in this house. And the family members they left behind are still struggling to move forward. Christopher McFarlane is Iselin McFarlane's son, and the 2 girls were his children.
I just have to take it one day at a time. I can't. At night time, every night, I jump up same way. Can't sleep.
So on Saturday night, the family held a vigil to pay respect to the victims.
For the past year, I'm really thinking about them, really and truly, because for what really happened and how it go down, then can't come out of my mind.
So while the vigil brought the community together, it was a painful reminder of an incident that the family will not forget anytime soon.
Still I wonder why me from my youth until now. Pretty much from my youth until now, I got through it. And now I grow, I 2 youth them. And if you see a man come 2 man or 3 man or whatever much man come and kill me 2 youth them, kill my mother. God no.
And to make matters worse, family members told us they still need closure as justice has not been served.
The police that come by one day last week, and she said that they are still not able to put their hand on anything.
When TVJ News contacted the police, we were told that so far 1 person of interest has been identified. However, no arrests have been made. In the meantime, Councillor for the Lauriston Division, which includes Tryall Heights, Keisha Lewis, said she has been trying to renew hope in the community marred by the tragedy.
I'm with them. I've always been with them, and I'm not going to leave them because I understand what they endured and what they're enduring to this date.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.